Welcome to the A-Disco Shortcut Tricks in MS Word. MS Word has many shortcut tricks that can help you work more efficiently and save time. Here are some of the most useful ones. Ctrl+C, copy selected text. Ctrl+X, cut selected text. Ctrl+V, paste copied or cut text. Ctrl+Z, undo the last action. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action. Ctrl+B, make selected text bold. Ctrl+I, make selected text italic. Ctrl+U, make selected text underlined. Ctrl+A, select all text in the document. Ctrl+F, open the Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl+N, create a new document. Ctrl+O, open an existing document. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Ctrl+S, save the current document. Ctrl+P, print the current document. Ctrl+Home, move the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl+End, move the cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl+F2, open the print preview window. Ctrl+Shift+F, change the font of selected text. Ctrl+Shift+L, apply bullet points to selected text. Ctrl+Shift+N, apply normal style to selected text. These are just a few of the many shortcut tricks available in MS Word. By using these shortcuts, you can work more efficiently and save time in your day-to-day tasks.